Adventures in Bottoming. Keeping a healthy and resilient rectum is of utmost importance for any butt sex enthusiast. Diet and exercise are crucial, but certain supplements can help smooth the way, helping to prevent minor tears, aid recuperation, and soothe any soreness from vigorous play. While there are supplements marketed specifically to conscientious bottoms, most focus primarily on the beneficial effects of fiber. Fiber alone is very helpful, and along with staying hydrated, it is the cornerstone of good digestive health. There are other supplements that are additionally helpful in rejuvenating and restoring the delicate tissues inside your anus, and I'd like to share those with you today as well. First and foremost, the most important supplement is water. That's right, simple water. Staying hydrated is the foundation of all-around health, especially when it comes to your digestive system. Your ass is thirsty, and it loves water. Once nutrients are absorbed by your gut, your colon and rectum extract excess water from material passing through. Not enough water in your digestive tract, and the colon will still suck as much moisture as it can, leading to dry, hard stools that are difficult to pass and may even cause rectal tearing. Beyond that, it's commonly understood that your rectum is not self-lubricating. True, it does not produce additional lubrication to ease repeated movement of objects in and out, and in and out, and in. The entire digestive system is lined with a layer of mucus that helps serve as lubrication to help pass stools out at least. Water helps maintain that protective mucus layer, reducing some friction while also forming a mild protective barrier that makes lube even more effective. Speaking of lube, water is your friend here too, especially when using water-based lubes. One reason why water-based lubes dry out is because your rectum is doing its job. It's absorbing the excess water in the lube. This factor may be why non-water-based lubes often feel so much better. Still, water-based lubes are usually the way to go when using toys and condoms. But the more dehydrated you are, the thirstier your ass is, and not in a sexy way. Staying hydrated won't stop you from absorbing some of the water in your lube, but it will reduce the speed at which that lube dries out through absorption. And remember that mucous membrane? The thicker and juicier that is, the more any added lube will slide along the mucus, rather than your ass confusing lube as its own mucous membrane. For those who douche extensively, keep this in mind. When you douche, you are also at least partially washing away that protective membrane, so replenishing it becomes even more important. I myself prefer to douche, so some of the lube used during play is a temporary replacement for that natural mucus, and it means that more lube is necessary for those who douche. Whether you douche or not, staying well hydrated is your first step in keeping the pipes clean, healthy, and smooth. Try to drink water throughout your day, not just guzzling large amounts once or twice a day. This reduces dilution of electrolytes that make water viable. If you're especially dehydrated, adding electrolytes to your water is also helpful. Next, you may want to take some form of fiber supplement, whether as the aforementioned products marketed specifically to bottoms or otherwise. These products all contain psyllium husk and other fibers such as chia and flax seeds, but each formula is slightly different. You can just as easily take these fibers in other forms that are not niche marketed and therefore may be less expensive, even if also less convenient. However you use fiber supplements, make sure again that you drink lots of water, as these fibers absorb plenty of water too, increasing their bulk as they pass through, collecting all the additional matter through your system. This is how dietary fiber is supposed to work anyway, but the supplements just give this natural process a little boost, especially when your diet may not contain enough fiber to do the job well. One benefit to chia and flax seeds, in addition to just plain psyllium husk, is that as chia and flax absorb water, they also produce their own mucus-like substance. And this can be helpful in replenishing your body's own mucosal lining, as well as easing the passage of digestive material. Some people, however, do not react well to certain fibers. I myself have an adverse reaction to flax, which rather than acting as a binder has, well, messier results, so I avoid it. Overall, though, these fiber supplements are usually beneficial to all. No matter what the state of your digestive system, they add bulk that helps push matter through if you tend to be constipated, and they bind to other matter in the digestive tract, solidifying looser stools. This makes cleaning out much easier, and some bottoms even find it eliminates the need to douche. These are the foundation of your rectal health: water and fiber. Now, let's move on to other supplements that may also be helpful. Vitamin K. Vitamin K's main benefit in regard to butt sex is that it is a clotting agent, which helps you repair any minor tears from aggressive internal play and/or dryness. While it may not be fun to talk about, small tears in the rectum are a common side effect of ass play. These are usually too small to bleed noticeably, but are the main reason why anal sex is a higher risk activity for transmitting STIs such as HIV, syphilis, and a whole host of other infections. When training up to larger depths or girth, vigorous thrusting, and when inadequately hydrated, these small tears can become bigger and you may even bleed. Usually just a drop or two, but it can be very easy to get carried away and cause enough damage for more significant bleeding. Of course, if you see blood resulting from your ass play, stop immediately. Continue another day once your ass has had a chance to heal. However, you can help speed this recovery by helping the blood to clot with vitamin K, so named from the German coagulation, with a K, which means to clot. One specific use of vitamin K is as an antidote to prevent internal bleeding caused by anticoagulant pest control substances, should you or your pet accidentally ingest them, and it stands to reason that vitamin K is effective for minor internal bleeding from other causes as well. That said, just be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking blood thinners or any other medications intended to alter the consistency of your blood. While most people do not suffer from vitamin K deficiency, if you bruise easily or find that wounds do not close quickly and bleed excessively, you may benefit from taking small amounts of vitamin K, especially if you are engaging in practices that tend to cause small internal wounds, such as anal sex. Green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin K, so if you're not interested in taking it as a supplement, eat plenty of salads. And no, getting your salad tossed doesn't increase vitamin K, though it does have other obvious benefits. Vitamins B and C, sometimes combined as a stress formula because your body's requirement for these water-soluble vitamins increases with stress. That doesn't mean taking them will automatically relax your asshole, but as we all know, stress can make easing into anal a little bit more difficult. So anything that can help manage the physiological effects of stress is helpful even if only tangentially. Vitamin B and C are also very important in cell rejuvenation and recovery from injury. So again, they may help you recuperate from your butt training sessions more fully and quickly. Deficiency in these vitamins is also rare, but if you are exposed to a lot of environmental stress, consume alcohol regularly, don't heal from wounds quickly, or feel that your diet does not include enough vitamin B and C rich foods, consider taking this supplement daily. Omega-3. Besides lowering bad cholesterol, these fatty acids are essential in maintaining healthy mucous membranes. So, if you're stripping your rectum of its natural mucus through douching and friction, you might consider taking omega-3 supplements. That said, there is also some research indicating that excessive amounts of omega-3 and other fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E may help increase the risk of prostate cancer, so use them sparingly. Pre- and probiotics. Probiotics are the naturally occurring good bacteria found in your digestive system. Healthy gut bacteria help digest the nutrients from food before absorption, are a vital part of the immune system, and generally help keep things flowing through by stimulating the lining of the digestive tract. The bacteria themselves thrive on green leafy vegetables and dietary fiber, which are considered prebiotic. Most people do not need to supplement the probiotics if they are feeding the bacteria well with dietary prebiotics. However, after rounds of antibiotics, because, say, you are treating an STI, or if you are regularly flushing those good little critters out with regular douching, then you may need to replenish this healthy flora with probiotics. Dairy and fermented foods such as kefir and miso contain a good amount of probiotic cultures, but if you need an extra boost, taking probiotic supplements can be useful. Probiotic supplements are often helpful in preventing digestive problems such as gas, bloating, and diarrhea, but some people find they have the opposite effect. So if you choose to add probiotics to your routine, take them for a few days before your next playdate to ensure that your body is reacting favorably. Lastly, taking a multivitamin may help all of the vitamins and minerals needed by your body to work together in harmony for your overall health, including your colorectal health. As with all supplements, remember to drink lots of water, and until next time, enjoy your sexual adventures, whatever they may be.